The Bugatti Tourbillon. Beyond gold. Beyond diamonds. Beyond speed.
Bugatti is reaching its limit. You can't go faster, and you can't be more luxurious.
You think we've peaked? I will build a car that makes your eyes bleed from its brilliance.
Stop everything. We are building the latest Tourbillon model, but with a body of solid 24K gold.
Sir, a gold Bugatti Tourbillon will weigh tons. We must re-engineer the entire V16 engine.
The raw material for the world's most expensive Bugatti has arrived. Transforming wealth into the speed of the golden tourbillon. Casting the golden skin of the latest Bugatti Tourbillon.
8.3 liters of pure power for our gold Bugatti.
Hybrid power to move the weight of the golden tourbillon.
Every curve of this gold Bugatti must be aerodynamic and perfect.
The spine of the golden tourbillon must be unbreakable.
Protecting the gold Bugatti's skin from the V16's intense heat.
Even the cooling system of the gold Bugatti is a work of art. Total control for the heavy golden Bugatti Tourbillon.
This diamond roof will be visible from the sky.
The signature of Bugatti, now in 24-karat gold.
Stability at 400 kilometers per hour for the golden tourbillon.
A galaxy of diamonds inside the gold Bugatti.
The beast is now inside the golden Bugatti.
The roar of the gold Bugatti will sound like thunder.
Maximum shimmer for the latest gold Bugatti Tourbillon.
Wheels of gold to carry a legend.
Mechanical perfection in the heart of the gold Bugatti.
The softest seats for the hardest gold Bugatti.
Holding wealth and power in your hands.
The wings of the gold Bugatti open to the heavens.
The gold Bugatti's heart on full display.
Lightning fast shifts for the golden Bugatti. Breath of gold for the V16 engine. Every diamond on the tourbillon must shine.
Electricity meets gold in the latest Bugatti.
The golden Bugatti will float over the road.
Aerodynamics of gold, the latest Bugatti. The mark of history on the gold Bugatti. Data at the speed of light in the gold Bugatti. Travel in gold with the latest Bugatti. Symphony of the golden Bugatti.
Step on gold to fly.
Precision is the religion of Bugatti.
Waking up the golden Bugatti.
No detail is too small for the gold Bugatti. The gold Bugatti protects itself.
Vision in gold.
Unstoppable force meets pure gold.
A crown of diamonds for the king of cars.
The gold Bugatti cuts through the air like a knife. Safety for the world's most expensive tourbillon.
Luxury redefined in the gold tourbillon.
Hello, Brentling. Protecting the investment in the gold Bugatti.
The only tires that can handle the gold Bugatti.
Even refueling is a luxury in the gold Bugatti.
Total control over the V16 beast. The gold Bugatti purrs like a giant cat.
The face that everyone will fear.
Setting the mood in the golden Bugatti.
Handcrafted by the world's best.
Saving the gold Bugatti from every bump.
Comfort at 250 mile an hour in the gold Bugatti.
Every touch is expensive.
Watching the world disappear in the gold Bugatti.
Gold and carbon, the ultimate mix.
Grip like a monster for the golden Bugatti.
A name that means a new era for Bugatti.
Everything is smooth in the gold Bugatti. The latest tech for the greatest car.
Even what you don't see is gold. The voice of the king.
Sparkle from every angle.
Perfect conductivity for the gold Bugatti.
Cutting through the dark with Bugatti.
Safety in 24 firm. Safety in 24-karat style.
Firing the V16 with a precious gem. Healthy vitals for the gold Bugatti. Cool luxury in the latest Bugatti. fresh air through gold.
Unlocking 400 kilometers per hour in the gold Bugatti.
Energy back to the golden Bugatti.
Stopping power with style.
The most expensive key in the world.
Secure storage for the gold Bugatti.
No surprises for the latest Bugatti.
Framing the world in gold.
Keeping the tech cool in the gold Bugatti.
Immersive audio in the gold Bugatti.
Luxury you can feel.
The roof is alive with light.
Perfect focus for the golden Bugatti.
Winter-ready gold Bugatti.
Every bolt is a treasure.
Smooth as silk, strong as a mountain.
The golden Bugatti is born.
Final touch for the diamond roof.
The identity of a legend.
The smell of victory.
Ready for the master.
Challenge accepted. Challenge crushed.
Silence before the storm.
Let there be light.
The Bugatti Tourbillon. Beyond gold. Beyond diamonds. Beyond speed.